We're in IELTS Speaking Part 1. In this part, I'll ask you a few questions and you have to answer. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Do you prefer to read magazines or newspapers?
definitely magazines, mostly on the topic of fashion or interior design. This is what I really like because I like to see creative side from all over the world. I like to see what people are talking about, what's new, what's trendy. So I like to have a knowledge of things of like what is this called, what is that called? Because usually when you see a picture, you don't usually know what it is called. So when you read a magazine, you were able to know, oh, this fabric is called this, oh, this decoration is called that. So I think it's very good an information.
Okay. Do you think you can learn as much from a magazine as a book?
Definitely not, because a magazine is like a shorter version of what's in the book. So I definitely prefer books over the magazines.
Okay. Let's talk about activities. Do you like being outdoors?
I love being outdoors. I usually spend my time planning an activity or just out with my friends. Even if I'm not doing anything at home, I must stay outdoors. I'm not very like home based person. Like I can't stay home much. I have to keep moving all the time.
Okay. Which outdoor sports do you enjoy doing?
I really enjoy playing badminton and cricket because they are both fun, full of fun, and keep me physically active. These sports also give me a chance to spend quality of time with my friends, family, and my colleagues, like staying fit and healthy.
Okay, let's talk about transportation. Do you like public transportation or private transportation?
I prefer private transportation because they are more comfortable, convenient, and saves time. It gives me the freedom to travel whenever I want without depending on fixed schedule.